So hello everyone, my name is Devansh Kumar Jadwani. I I I am studying currently BBA from CV Raman University. I have done schooling from Academic World School, Bemitra, and today I am going to give introduction on Excel. So first of all, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program which is for which we can do data entries and make complicated tables. Now, what are the features in Excel? Grid interface, graphical representation, pivot charts, making table, adjusting cells, using many different color palettes around here, and many more. Now, what are there are many formulas also in Excel which we can use to apply the solution, to apply for the solution. Sum, maximum, minimum, we can take out average, subtraction, division, making tables, and so at last, what's the conclusion in it? Why we should learn Excel? So Excel basically we can learn to make the complicated things in a very easy manner. We can find out here many different ways to create a solution and many more. So I have learned this Excel uh, in ISECT Academy. It's a very good and interesting academy. I have enjoyed a lot here. I have studied a lot. I have learned many things around here. There are many good mentors in this academy. There are many good teachers, and the systematic system is very nice. So I should suggest you can apply for here. It's Thank you.